How to start your own real estate business. Yes, you heard it right. How to start your own real estate business. We got a lot of demand. Many people have commented on our YouTube videos and they were demanding real estate videos in English. And that's why we are coming up with this series, especially for you all. Dear friends, understand the concept. In this series, we'll tell you everything about real estate and how real estate is helpful for you to start your own business. So today's video is all about starting your own real estate business. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate entrepreneur, real estate trainer and coach. And in this video, I'll tell you 3 important steps to start your own real estate business. That if you have decided that you want to make a career in real estate, even if you are a fresher, you didn't know anything about real estate, but from scratch you want to start, then this video is very helpful for you. Watch this video till the end. Out of the 3 important points, the first important point is identify the role you want to play in real estate business. If suppose you decided that you want to become a real estate entrepreneur, the most important thing is you have to identify the role which you want to play. There are 5 to 6 different roles which you can play in a real estate business. First, you can start your real estate business as a builder. For that, you require an investment. You have to buy a land, you have to construct a building, and then you have to sell it. The second role what you can play is as a real estate developer. You have to buy a land, develop it, and you can sell a plot. So you can sell a piece of land to different people. This is the second role which you can play. Third role is you can become an owner of a marketing agency. If suppose you are living in an XYZ, any city, any country across the world, if you are living in Singapore or Malaysia or California, it doesn't matter. If there is a very good builder or developer in that particular city, state or region, you can do a tie-up with them and you can become their marketing channel partner. So by promoting their product, you will earn a very good amount of commission or an incentive. This is the third role which you can perform. The fourth role is you can become a real estate advisor. You can become a realtor, advisor or a consultant which will help people in guiding about their own real estate investment or helping them in finding their home. This is the fourth role which you can perform as a real estate advisor. And the fifth role is you can become an investor. You can start buying small properties. You can either get an income from that by selling that property after a few months or years, or you can get a rental income. Any kind of property you can buy as an investor. And the sixth role what you can play, this is an additional one, a real estate licensing agent, is of a real estate person who helps different companies in getting land or who helps different people in procuring land on a rental basis. So you can, in a simple word, you can play a role of a person who helps people in getting property on rent. So you can start a rental business also. So these are the 6 different roles which you can play in a real estate business. This is the first step. Now the moment you have identified the role, the second step is immediately start learning about that role. It means if you want to become an investor or if you want to become a builder or a developer or an advisor or a rental person, you have to start learning about that role. That what are the key responsibilities of that person? How you have to handle the client, how you have to negotiate with the client, how you have to go for site visit with the client. There were different things which you have to learn related with that particular role which you will perform in a real estate business. The third important point is now take action and start your real estate business. Now, the moment you have finalized that which role you want to play in a real estate business, the moment you are clear and you have learned so many things about that particular role. You went for a workshop, you have attended training programs, you have went for an online workshop or something, and based on the total experience you have got, the total knowledge you have got, now start implementing that knowledge about that particular role. Don't forget that you have to understand the role first, then you have to start learning and then start taking action step by step, step by step. So the moment you are very clear in a real estate business, and if you perform these 3 steps, then it is very easy for you because it will give you a clarity. The moment you are very clear that how you want to start your own real estate business, then you can take a proper step-by-step action and you can become a very good real estate entrepreneur in future. Dear friends, if you want us to make videos on different real estate topics for you, please comment below and tell us on which topic you want us to make a video. And if you want that this video should reach to different people, please share this video with different people. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next video.